skills. What made me to visit the industrial visit? It is my curiosity, because every day we learn lot of topics and we are taught lot of strategies that how the company works and how they implement. But it is the real time example, and we had exposure, practical exposure, that we can get into the companies and we can see the entire process, how they are going on and what strategies they are applying, how the work is going on.
As a management graduate, I wanted to know more about industrial functioning and how do things takes place. So Acumen gave us opportunity to see these things from in a better view.
Yeah, before going to the industrial visit, the previous day we had lots of questions in our mind, that where we are going, what type of company, how will our visit be.
We went for the Thrive Solar Systems. There we have seen the panels, how they are using, and Acumen team has helping us in every step by step, and whatever the queries we have, they are solving.
It was very interactive. First of all, we were explained very detailed about each and every process that was happening. And the most eye-catchy thing was we all have fixed up some of the solar torch lights, which was like kind of fun kind of activity for students to get to know how these things are fixed and all. So we had a wonderful time there.
And we can see that the person who is involved in working, how they put their skills and how they will excel in their work, which helps us to understand that how we can implement our skills and our learnings in the real time.
I have visited to Roshni Microsystem, which is certified by ISO, and it was a great experience visiting to the industry, because it was an industry which was manufacturing the circuit boards, which was a printed circuit boards, which will be used for the motherboards or while making lifts. The moment which we went, they were making the circuit boards for the lifts, which was a great experience of seeing how the circuit boards were made.
Like it starts with cutting, drilling, dry filming, circular filming, hot air traveling and all. So for me the most catchy process was the circuit filming, because in this process the drills are used to put a hole on the copper layout, and if that if that drilling is not done perfectly, the whole batch get rejected.
Even though they were having a low finance budget, they were not focusing more on the plant layout, but moreover they were focusing on the machines which were used for the developing or the manufacturing of the circuit boards. So the most important thing, the strategy which I learned is focusing on the quality material which we need to produce. The environment was very it was a very tough environment to be worked under, because they were dealing with the acids, the chemicals which were emitting all the time from the organization. But since even though there was a lot of chemicals used, the workers were taken a good care from the head of the department.
It's a good platform for the students, because they'll come to know, they'll have some industrial exposure that is very much good, wherein which theoretical and practical things will combine there, and they will be able to think some new idea. They'll be getting some new ideas, and it will be very much useful for them in their process of going ahead in future.
I recommend all of them to have a industrial visit,
So that we'll have a successful career further,
and learn the things practically.
and we can have a planning that which kind of industry we should join further.
And also how we should be professional enough to carry on our work. So please attend the industrial visit, whatever conducted for you.